Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to this special episode of 2023. In this episode I collected for you essential lifesaver phrases and also essential conversation phrases that you can use right away in order to start communicating in spoken Egyptian. Let's explore these phrases together. Stay with me. Let's start our essential conversation phrases with the phrase hello. My name is Hamid. أهلا. أنا اسمي Hamid. So hello is أهلا. We usually say أهلا all the time for hello. Okay. Also marhaban, but marhaban is more of a modern standard Arabic version and we don't say it a lot in Egypt. So أهلا is much more common. So you say أهلا, which is hello, and you say اسمي Hamid, or أنا اسمي حميد, which is my name is Hamid. So اسم is name, اسمي my name, and then followed by the name. أهلا اسمي or أنا اسمي حميد. When you meet someone and you want to say I am honored, okay, the pleasure is mine, and so on, we say in Egyptian تشرفنا. تشرفنا, and تشرفنا is from الشرف or الشرف in Moroccan Arabic, which means honor, and تشرفنا, we got the honor, or we have the honor. تشرفنا. تشرفنا. So usually when you meet someone and you shake hands and you say تشرفنا, it means I am honored to know you or to meet you. تشرفنا. تشرفنا. Thank you is شكرا. Shukran, and shukran is very widespread in spoken Egyptian. Shukran, it's from modern standard Arabic shukran. And sometimes we say متشكر as well. So instead of shukran, we say متشكر or متشكرة. This is for feminine, okay? Or just shukran, either for male or female. Shukran, okay? Sometimes also Egyptians say ألف شكر, like 1,000 thanks. ألف شكر. So you have the choice to say any one of these three variants. شكرا or متشكر or متشكرة feminine, or ألف شكر 1,000 thanks. The reply for شكرا is عفوا. Okay, عفوا. It's you are welcome. Okay, it's nothing. You are welcome. عفوا. عفوا. So you will hear it a lot in Egypt. عفوا. And also it's a modern standard Arabic word. You can use it in any Arab country. عفوا. Okay. And sometimes Egyptians say العفو instead of عفوا. العفو. 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 So you may hear it عفوا or العفو. The greetings that are related to the time of the day, like for example, morning or afternoon or evening, these greetings are very easy in spoken Egyptian. So you say simply صباح الخير. صباح الخير, this is good morning. And if you want to say good afternoon or good evening, it's simply مساء الخير. So مساء is evening, صباح is morning, and الخير is good. Okay, so صباح الخير, good morning, مساء الخير, good afternoon or good evening. Goodbye is مع السلامة. مع السلامة. Goodbye. مع is with in English, مع, and السلامة is safety. So as if you are saying with safety. Okay, مع السلامة. Goodbye. مع السلامة. So let's have a small revision. Okay, so now you are familiar with the word أهلا, which is hello. Okay, أهلا. أهلا, and sometimes we say also وسهلا. So أهلا وسهلا, which means welcome. Okay, so أهلا is hello in spoken Egyptian. You are also familiar with شكرا and عفوا. شكرا is thank you, and عفوا is you are welcome. Okay, you are welcome. And then you also familiar with صباح الخير. صباح الخير, which is, yes, right, good morning. Good morning. And the answer of it is صباح النور. صباح النور. So instead of الخير, which is good, you just say النور, which is light. Okay, light in Arabic. النور. النور. So صباح النور is the morning of light. صباح النور, which is the answer of صباح الخير. You are also familiar with مع السلامة. مع السلامة, goodbye, exactly, which is with safety. مع, with, السلامة, safety. So with safety, I wish you safety, and it is مع السلامة, goodbye. Now let's move to the second part of our episode, which is about lifesavers or lifesaver phrases. I collected for you some of these phrases that are really essential if you want to survive using spoken Egyptian. So the first phrase with us here is, do you speak Egyptian or Arabic? أنت بتتكلم مصري or أنت بتتكلم عربي. Here أنت is you, okay? You, the pronoun. And بتتكلم, this is a verb to speak or to talk. أنت بتتكلم. أنت بتتكلم عربي. أنت بتتكلم عربي. And here notice that, or مصري, بتتكلم عربي, or أنت بتتكلم مصري, do you speak Arabic or you speak Egyptian? And notice here that the question is exactly like the sentence or the phrase that is actually a normal phrase, not a question phrase. So you just change how you say it, okay, the gesture. So أنت بتتكلم عربي. أنت بتتكلم عربي. This is a fact. It means you are speaking Arabic. أنت بتتكلم عربي. Do you speak Arabic? It's exactly the same phrase, just we move it from a normal sentence to a question, okay? Just by changing the gesture. أنت بتتكلم عربي? Do you speak Arabic? أنت بتتكلم مصري? And if you want to say, for example, do you speak Arabic or do you speak Egyptian for female? So if you are talking to a female, you say أنتي instead of أنت. أنتي بتتكلمي عربي. أنتي بتتكلمي مصري. This is a difference. Instead of أنت, it becomes أنتي, and بتتكلم, it becomes بتتكلمي. أنت بتتكلم عربي. أنتي بتتكلمي عربي. أنت بتتكلم مصري. أنتي بتتكلمي مصري. But if I want to move it to a formal question, so I will not say أنت بتتكلم عربي. I will say instead حضرتك. So usually Egyptians say حضرتك or حضرتك for female if you want to add respect, okay, or you want to add formality to the question. So أنت بتتكلم عربي becomes حضرتك بتتكلم عربي, and أنتي بتتكلمي مصري becomes حضرتك بتتكلمي مصري. Then we move to yes and no in spoken Egyptian. Yes is أيوة, أيوة, and no is لا or لأ. So sometimes Egyptians say لأ and stop on the hamza, لأ, like this. And sometimes they say لأ and they make like fatha afterwards, لأ. So either لأ or لأ are common in spoken Egyptian. Okay, so أيوة is yes and لأ or لأ is no. If we want to say, do you speak English? So usually you say أنت بتتكلم إنجليزي. حضرتك بتتكلم إنجليزي. إنجليزي instead of عربي. إنجليزي, okay? French is فرنساوي. فرنساوي. So حضرتك بتتكلم فرنساوي. حضرتك respect for female. حضرتك بتتكلمي فرنساوي. حضرتك بتتكلمي فرنساوي. If you want to say, for example, do you speak German? We say حضرتك بتتكلم ألماني. حضرتك بتتكلمي ألماني. حضرتك بتتكلمي ألماني. Spanish is إسباني. إسباني. So أنت بتتكلمي إسباني. أنت بتتكلم إسباني. Italian is إيطالي. So حضرتك بتتكلم إيطالي. حضرتك بتتكلمي إيطالي. So we have إنجليزي which is English, فرنساوي which is French, ألماني German, إسباني Spanish, إيطالي Italian. Another lifesaver is Another important phrase is excuse me, okay? And in spoken Egyptian, we say excuse me, we say either لو سمحت, لو سمحت, which actually comes actually as please, لو سمحت, another meaning. And also you can say لا مؤاخذة, لا مؤاخذة. And لا مؤاخذة, it means excuse me. It's precisely excuse me, and Egyptians say either of these two. So they say لا مؤاخذة, which is excuse me, or they say لو سمحت, which means excuse me or please. So you have the freedom to choose whatever you like. Okay, so excuse me, لو سمحت. And if you want to ask about the place or where you can find something, you can say فين. And فين is in spoken Egyptian where, which is أين. أين in modern standard Arabic. You just say فين. Egyptians say فين, which is أين. And then you can say whatever you like. فين المطعم, for example, where is the restaurant? فين البيت, where is the house? فين شارع, where the street of, and then you have the name شارع 11, for example, street 11, or شارع الزهور, street of الزهور, and so on. So فين. So usually if you want to ask a question or to somebody on the street, excuse me, where is, and you say لا مؤاخذة, لو سمحت, فين, and then you say whatever you want. If you asked somebody and you didn't follow up with the speed of the language, many students have told me that spoken Egyptian is fast, and this is totally right. It's like any dialect, any language in the world, when natives speak relatively fast, and especially for a beginner, but it's a matter of time before you get to the speed and you understand what's being said. So this is totally normal if you found that the speed of the language is fast for you. This is totally fine at the beginning. Okay? So if you didn't understand at the beginning, you just say لو سمحت, please. لو سمحت, أنا مش فاهم. أنا مش فاهم. أنا مش فاهم, it means I don't understand. I don't understand. أنا مش فاهم. Okay? And sometimes Egyptians say mush instead of mish. So mish is not. Okay? Or sometimes they say mush. Okay? So either of these is correct and common. So أنا مش فاهم, I don't understand, I don't follow you. أنا مش فاهم. And if a female is talking, she will say أنا مش فاهمة. أنا مش فاهمة. I don't understand, but if a female is talking. So either أنا مش فاهم or أنا مش فاهمة. You can also emphasize this by saying, or assure this by saying, please speak slowly, which is اتكلم بالراحة. So أنا مش فاهم, اتكلم بالراحة من فضلك, please. Okay? اتكلم بالراحة. Or اتكلمي بالراحة if you are talking to a female. اتكلم or اتكلمي. Okay? If you're talking to a female. It's gender sensitive here. So اتكلم بالراحة, speak slowly. اتكلمي بالراحة, speak slowly, but for female. So أنا مش فاهم, اتكلم بالراحة من فضلك. I don't understand, please speak slowly. Now the time of our revision. So after this part, you are familiar with the following words. You know how to say you, which is انت. انت, okay? انت, which is you. If you want to say انتي, this is you for female. So either انت or انتي. So if you want to say you but with respect or formality, instead of انت, you just say حضرتك. 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 Okay? حضرتك, which is you but formal. And similarly, you say حضرتك for you but female. Okay? حضرتك, the female form. So انت, this is casual, and حضرتك is formal. انتي is casual, and حضرتك is formal. Also, you know, فين. فين is where. Okay? فين المطعم. فين الشارع. فين البيت, and so on. Where is the restaurant فين المطعم, where is the street فين الشارع. Okay, so فين is where in spoken Egyptian, and you're also familiar with the word slowly, which is بالراحة. Slowly, بالراحة, slowly. Speak slowly, or talk slowly. اتكلم بالراحة. For male, اتكلمي بالراحة. Female, if you are talking to a female, اتكلمي بالراحة. Now we reached the end of our episode today. I hope that the episode was interesting and useful for you. You learned many keywords and many important phrases and survival phrases in spoken Egyptian. You now know shukran, صباح الخير, عفوا. You know how to ask فين, I can't understand, أنا مش فاهم, please speak slowly, عربي, إنجليزي, ألماني, فرنساوي, and so on. Many important phrases that you can use right away and impress your Arab and Egyptian community and friends. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. If you want to see other episodes, look at my YouTube channel. You will find many resources and many episodes in many aspects of the spoken Egyptian and also the Arabic language. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this episode, and also enroll 100% free in my preparatory course, fundamental course, Spoken Egyptian 101. In this course, I give you the basic background you need in spoken Egyptian, and also I will tell you about my weekly conversation sessions and how can I help you weekly to progress with spoken Egyptian until you reach fluency in a very short time. Thanks a lot for watching. Look at the description box for all the resources that you need about episode or anything about Egyptian and also Arabic. If you have any question, write me a comment below and I'll be very happy to answer you. Thanks a lot and Happy New Year, and see you in a future episode soon.